Good morning, good morning. Update. The kid is finishing up the floor. Hey, love. Love. What's that? What's that?
Oh, a fuck up. I have fuck up.
Si bakla. Oh, our pumpy today. Boss Danny, you're going to YouTube, mate. You'll see this one on YouTube. You'll see this on YouTube, mate. JFC, Johnny to the rescue. This is what I've done. The rebate open up while it's still easy to shape, and then later on when I come back, I'll just finish that one because that's still soft, which is good for me. Then this is the edges. I'm doing it, making it tidy all the way to the boxing, cleaning it up, mate. Looks good, eh? And yeah, that's all. So I just need to drag this up just so to clear that boxing out away, clear that concrete. So yeah, let me do a bit of aging. That's how we do it, mate. Tidy up. Now will we makes it easy for me when I came back, when it gets dry, you know, because it's really hard to push that shit, that concrete, I mean, when it's dry. So I have to make it easy for me. Clean up the boxing. Tidy. See, it makes it easy for us if we open up the rebate a little bit earlier than to wait until it gets dry, because when it gets dry, especially that it has a fiber on it, look at the fiber, so makes it hard. Barbecue. Okay guys, I'll update you later when everything, I don't know how how long did I need to stay here on these jobs, but I think because it's just three of us here, we might, you know, I cannot say I can stay here until this job get polished. I'm not sure. So I'll update you later when it gets dry. See ya. Bye bye. Have a good one.